Hi, my name is Jason.
Hi, my name is Leon. I'm from Limerick.
My name is Mitch. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Skibbereen.
Lily. I'm from the Gaeilge.
Hi, I'm Alison O'Reilly.
Hi, my name is Charlotte O'Reilly.
My name is Jolene O'Reilly and I live in Cork.
I've always wanted to be a famous star and I love acting.
Art was always somewhere in my head.
I want to be a beautician.
So I'm going to do acting for the rest of my life.
Well, I first heard about it when Monica, one of the representatives for LTTB, came to our school and asked people and invited them to join the filmmakers project. It was during a midterm break. Thought it was a great time to employ and see what it's all about.
I found out from my art class that I do in the art centre, and I thought that it would be a good experience, something good to put on my CV. I didn't realise how big it was going to become.
The rapping was a new experience, like we get to do a karaoke, we get to do broadcast and we get to write our songs.
I didn't know nothing about film sound until I went into that course, and I learned a lot about it.
Once I'm down there acting with my friends, you feel freedom and you feel great.
I feel like I've already done so much as an artist. I don't know, it fills me with pride and also gratitude that I've been given this opportunity and that the art centre is there for me.
Proud because we made a book.
Not young children our age gets to make a book.
Tomas, the person that hosts our art class, he's very open to freedom and just really expressing yourself.
You feel really free of doing whatever you want.
There were so many times where we all offered our own ideas on how to place certain equipment on certain places, and they listened to us and they gave us advice whether that was a good idea or a bad idea and why.
It just felt like a change, to be honest.
And we grabbed the ink, we grabbed the paint, and we just started splatting the walls. We were throwing buckets of water around the place. It was insane.
This course has been the best thing I've ever done. I did acting and I loved acting, but this course was something different.
I think it gives us a voice. It allows us to be heard.
Feel more confident.
Ma'am, I love you so much. Thank you for signing me up for this, because this is amazing.
I think if I hadn't done this project, I would be a different person. One that I wouldn't love as much as I love myself now.